Hi and welcome. It's Esther at the Trucking Scribe. I have another little journal that I made. I know I'm probably going to be uploading a lot of them in the next couple of days, but while I have a second in between classes and work, I thought I would get in here today and try and get as many as I can. This one is a little mini. I've closed it with a piece of sari silk that's purple. It has angels on it. I've got little jewels all over it, lace on the side. It's been distress inked with Tim Holtz distress ink. You open it up, you have 2 pages to write on. There's some more little bling right here. You keep going and you got 4 more pages. You've got one pocket that opens like that. A tag. This pocket is only got one part opening. This one's the same. You can only go up. And then this last one, you can go to the side. So I tried to make them more accessible. You have this beautiful angels, all 4 of them, they look beautiful. I thought I would not decorate it anymore so that you could make it your own. And I hope that you stop by and take a look at it. Even the back has angels on it. I didn't put any jewels on the back because they get stuck on everything. But thank you for stopping by and hope to see you soon. My Etsy store is thetruckingscribe.com. And my website is thetruckingscribe.com.